Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is the Piano Somatics, where we learn to move better in order to play better. This tutorial is about Beethoven's famous Moonlight Sonata. It's actually one of the most difficult pieces in the repertoire, and I'm not talking about that crazy fast movement at the end, but no, the slow movement at the beginning. Anybody can play it. But how do you make it sound magical and ghostly and desperately sad? It takes an understanding of how the hand works at the piano. For instance, the left hand, if I just play the octave with a solid left hand, it's a good sound, but it's not ghostly and it's not singing and it's not spinning. So if I understand that the hand grasps, and as I grasp, I can bring the hand up into its structure gently, freely, then I have a much greater sensitivity to the two voices of the octave. They become a contrabass and a violoncello instead of just an octave. And that action of growing the arch gently moves my arm, floats my arm to the next one. And allowing me to phrase that bass line even though it's moving extremely slowly. If I understand that the thumb is different from the fingers, and that the thumb can stand up, pushing the fingers into a floating state. Did you see what happened? I got a 4-level orchestration. One voice is here, another voice is here. There's a heartbeat going on in here. 2, 3, 4, and then there's a color of that heartbeat. So by understanding the structure and function of my hand, and how different parts stand up in different ways, allowing a complete orchestration of the musical material. That's what's going to make my Moonlight Sonata heartbreakingly beautiful.